Hi, my name is Alicia Silva, and I am going to explain what we read over the article of genetic-based methods by agricultural pest management. So in summary, the article was about using mosquitoes and genetic engineering to reduce the amount of pests that are in the agricultural field. What they did was sterile insect methods. So what they would do is they would release female mosquitoes, or in other terms, the screw bug, females and males that were sterile. So they would mate with the wild types to make sure that they are able to reproduce and not have any more babies. However, they found that those were reproducing with themselves, so then they would release males that were sterile so that they would reproduce with the females that from the wild type. They noted from there that they would decrease the amount of mosquitoes or screwworms that were part of the agricultural field, and they noticed that that was one way that they were able to eliminate the animal or the insect from the agricultural portion. And another method that they had that was used, what we also see is that they use incompatible insect techniques. So that is a way that they use genetic engineering to change how the mosquitoes are being used, and also they are injecting them or breeding them with a bacteria that then allows for the interference of the reproduction, so that their genetics after that are then compromised. You see that later down the road in their data that has done a good play on how to combat a lot of the pests in the agricultural field. And in conclusion, you see that they state that we want to find more methods to be able to combat diseases and mosquitoes that transmit diseases, so that we have a more healthier environment and less people get sick. Personally, I think that that's a great idea if that can be attained, because of the fact that diseases change very frequently and genetics is an all changing course that we need to keep up on. But because everything changes, we need to be at least one step ahead. But at the same time, we want to be sure that we're not changing the natural balance of the animal world or the insect world, because we're all in one that needs to have a balance. So that's my personal take on it. I think that it's a great idea and we're doing many strides with it. We just need to find that balance to make sure that we're healthy and we're not playing a major role in the destruction of the animal kingdom.